Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is for those that have the RC Pro remote control and things are just, whoa, upside down, right? And how do you fix it? Why this happens, I don't know. Sometimes it'll just randomly happen. The remote will just fall down as you're trying to get your stuff together, and then all of a sudden, things will turn, whoa, in the position that they're supposed to. And that's the last thing you want happening when you're flying and doing your thing. And then all of a sudden you're like, oh my God, what do I do? Because right is left, then left is right. As you can see here on the receiver, things just are topsy-turvy. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see here, my settings are, my remote is right side up. Here go the antennas, right? And as nothing is working. So what you want to do is when this happens is go into, when you flip it, you'll see, you might see a little toggle thing on the side with arrows. If you see it, press it, but we don't see it. And what you'll do is, since we don't see it, and it's hard to read upside down, you're going to go into compass calibration. And then when you flip it, you should see it on the corner, hopefully. Oh, there it is. And now I press it. And now things are back to normal again. Whoa, don't want that to happen again. So that's the fix for it. And you go back. Anytime that happens, you know, if you're in compass cal, it'll just accidentally trigger itself. As you can see here, I'll press it, and there must be some sort of hotkeys that creates this to happen, because it looks like there's an accelerometer in there, and what triggers it, I don't know, but now you know how to fix it moving forward. Let's see if we can to flip it over. Right, and then activate it. It activated, see, and now things are back to normal, and I can go back to my home screen or my DJI experience and have things the way they should be, back to normal. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Kind of neat, huh? If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.